sights and sounds of this fun-filled carnival.
Nó nói à, nó vẫn chỉ có chua, lúc xa lì xuống ở phải có à, ta chơi được nói à, để mấy cái lúc về, phải chơi nói à, phải chơi mong, phân cho sao ở chơi bên châu nữa, mong nhỉ cho sao ta chơi nó ở chơi bên châu, thì xin nó à, ítตัวใจnó chỉตัวà chỉ nên đó nên taoตัวgiờ thôi nênตัวmà chống cứng cầu đi nữa thôi thì mình cả chỉ qua mình cả lúc về nó lại nó chỉ mình cả mà cái muốn sao trong mong còn là giờ lúc lại qua mong như xong tôi bỏ thà dùng câu cơ kia mà ít tuần gió sao là mong nhìn nhẹ tôi nhau được thằng nó nữa nhau kiên được học cái nhau nó đã mong tôi phá được cái nó.
Make sure you visit the Extreme Zone, the best place for extreme action. Watch for freestyle motocross athletes as they perform breathtaking tricks every day at 3, 5, and 7 p.m. Sponsored by Big O Tires, Coca-Cola, and Slow for the Cone Zone. Ever wonder what it would be like to ride in a ground-pounding 4x4 monster machine? The Extreme Zone is home to monster truck rides and the Chevy Ride and Drive, where you can try your hand at driving a Camaro convertible. Chevrolet is one of the many sponsors that helps make the California State Fair possible. We also like to thank Golden One Credit Union, Miller Lite, and Tecate, Pacific Gas and Electric Company, and Select Company.
If all that action makes you hungry, visit the Coca-Cola main promenade or stop by any vendor located throughout the fairgrounds for mouth-watering corn dogs, deep-fried hamburgers, mac and cheese on a stick, cool desserts, ethnic cuisine, and plenty of healthy options. Don't forget to quench your thirst with an ice-cold Coca-Cola, the official soft drink of the California State Fair. The fair's theme, Fun That Moves You, applies to savings as well. Purchase the ultimate coupon book for just $5. It includes 100 of the best offers and over $3,000 off things to drink, eat, do, and buy at the State Fair. The book is valid all 18 days of the fair. Coupon books are available at guest services and all main gates. Start saving today. Whether you use the coupons to purchase a giant dill pickle, shaved ice, a hermit crab, or a deluxe chicken wrap, the ultimate coupon book is your ticket to savings. There are plenty of health-conscious options for you to enjoy too. There's something for everyone. The State Fair has some generous sponsors this year, including Wells Fargo Bank, Central Valley Towing, Burroughs Jr., Blood Source, California Lottery, and California Family Fitness.
If you're looking to cool down between attractions, then Raging Waters Sacramento is the perfect destination for you. With more than 25 exhilarating rides, the water park is a splash during these hot summer days. Make sure and stop by the News 10 booth inside the California building and get a free photo with your family at the News 10 weather wall powered by SMUD's Greenergy program. Plus, enter for your chance to win a vacation today to the Disneyland Resort to experience the all-new Cars Land.
Trong có sự con hai giống nữa nó giờ của tụi này hả của tụi này cũng thay đua theo cũng thay đua theo người thay cũng ít chỉ để họ thay ít chỉ có hai anh hai người có phần thay à cái xe có phần thay à
Up ahead is the California Forest Center. Come by for a free seedling and learn why California-grown wood comes from sustainable forests that reduce greenhouse emissions. Don't forget to stop by Camp Smoky, where kids can learn about fire prevention from a band of woodsy friends.
The Farm, presented by State Farm Supermarkets, is the perfect location to learn about California's #1 industry, agriculture. This demonstration farm has several